Hi everyone, thank you so much for visiting my channel and thank you a lot for clicking on this video. I'm so happy to have like you subscribers on my channel because if you are watching this video then you are passionate about this English language and you are an enthusiastic English learners. But somewhere you are not able to speak. You have that obsession to learn this spoken English by the way, but you're trying your best, but somewhere just you think like no, I'm not improving, and somewhere you don't find yourself improving in this English language. So why? You are trying your best, you are making sentences, you are listening to podcasts, you are listening to other English speakers, but why why you are not able to speak English? When I stand to speak in front of someone, I start shivering my hands, I start I don't know why, just feeling shy and something like that. Why such negative things happens to me? Only questions, no answers. But I think in this video, if you watch till the end, then you're gonna get some answers of your questions. So guys, don't skip this video even 1 second, because 1 second is very precious for us. In that 1 second, if you skip, then you may miss a massive thing. So I request you, I urge you not to skip even 1 second. Just keep watching till the end. Dear viewers, without any further delay, let's dive into the video. So hi everyone, this is me Rudra Dharwa standing before you all. I am from Odisha, live in a small village. If you have been watching my videos for a couple of days, and if you have watched my some videos as well, then you must have understood that I belong to a rural area, and there I'm trying to enhance English, and there I'm trying to provide English to other students as well. And if you have watched those videos where my students have spoken this English language, then you must have understood that if we try in a proper way, then a child can also speak English. But I know you are at 23, 24 or more than 30 as well years old, but still you are struggling to enhance English. But why? By the way, why? Just ask to yourself one question: why are you not able to speak English? Even I was one day that I was thinking, I'm just practicing like you. I'm making sentences, I'm trying to speak with people, but why am I not improving? All the time one question was going on in my mind, whether I am improving or not. When I was making sentences, that time I was feeling okay. Now I'm able to make sentences. So now, all right, let's try to speak with somebody. And I used to make a call like this and used to start talking. But only few sentences I was able to speak. How are you? What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do in your daily life? What are you doing now? That's all. Then on the spot, if we used to change our topic, then my mind used to go blank. Literally, I was not able to speak even one word after that. Then I had only one way, that is to disconnect the call, then again make that call. So I know guys, it must be happening with you as well. When you ask to yourself, do I know English? Then you think, yeah, I am able to make some sentences like Ramo jaye, yeah, Ram jata hai, Ram goes. Yeah, I know this. But when you try to speak someone, hi there, how are you? Yeah, what are you doing now? Oh, what's up? Yeah, great here. And what about you? I know I'm fine, but I know something like that. Means only few sentences you can speak, but to make that conversation long, you are just stopped. Your mind is blank. There is nothing. So what to speak now? Just think. What to speak now? Nothing in my mind. So guys, actually don't be hopeless. Here if I'm smiling, then I'm not just laughing. I'm not laughing but smiling. So this is not called smirk. Smirk means to show a false smile, which is not real. So that is called smirk in English. But this is real guys. Means genuinely just I'm feeling whatever just I'm speaking with you.